Hello, my name is Dimitris, Chief Instructor of Aegeas Yachting Training Centre, and today we're going to talk about how you can come from a finger pontoon. So when you go on a finger pontoon, normally you are in a place with more developed marinas, because the finger pontoons is like you have the dock, you have the long dock, and on the dock you have the spots where you're going to put your boat, practically on a long side, but by moving backwards. So the best way to do it is by getting in between the two pontoons by moving backwards, on reverse. When your stern is near to your spot, you make a hard turn, more or less on 90 degrees. You are approaching by reversing the dock, and when you're going to be there, you ask a crew member from the stern to step outside and secure only the stern line. The moment that the stern line is secured, you come in forward, and by coming in forward, you do what? You are applying tension on the stern line. So the moment that the stern line is with tension, you can control your boat because you have water flow from the propeller to the rudder by pushing it forward. When your boat will be on the dock, then the crew member with the bow line is stepping out to secure also the bow line, and of course, place the spring line in position. So I'm start reversing, and I try to place my boat in between the two pontoons, but I will try to move away from the pontoon that we are planning to go, because when I will perform my rotation, my turn, I want to be sure that I will have enough room to make small corrections. Always the reverse position is the one I'm having now, so you can easily check back but also check in front, and have one hand on the helm and one hand on the throttle control. So when I'm going to be in between the pontoons, I stay closer to the other pontoon, and progressively I'm coming inside. The moment that I will see my stern being nearby my spot, I'm going to make a sharp turn of 90 degrees, and then I will start making my small corrections in order to place the boat in my finger pontoon. If I feel that my speed is good enough, I will just slow down. But always when I'm reversing, it's a good idea to stay with slow reverse. So you always have the control of the boat. Not faster than this, but always on slow reverse, as far as the wind is not very strong. So when my stern will pass the bow of the boat that is next to our spot, then I'm going to make the sharp turn to starboard. And before I perform the turn, I will give a bit more power on reverse, just to have the best possible control I can have while I'm reversing. So I'm very close to perform my turn. I give some power. I'm turning my helm all the way to right, and then I slow down. I'm waiting for my boat to perform the rotation, and when my stern will point my spot, I will start making my small corrections. So now I'm having my stern pointing my spot. I'm aligning my helm. And now I'm ready. One hand on the throttle control, one hand on the helm. My boat is getting inside, aligning progressively, coming in neutral because I have very good speed. And now, of course, I need to stop the boat by coming in forward. So forward, more power forward, and just bringing it close enough so my crew member can step out and immediately secure. So he secured the line, and what I do now, I stay with slow forward, and I'm turning my helm all the way to port. And I'm just waiting like that, because now water from the propeller is coming directly to the rudder, so the boat is coming closer, and now it's very easy for my crew member with the bow line to step outside and secure the line. Of course, I'm not safe and secured till the point that I will have the spring line attached. So when the spring line is attached, then the boat is safe. So if we want to summarize how we can approach a finger pontoon, remember always you come on reverse. Try to keep a distance from your spot, so when you will perform your sharp turn of 90 degrees, you will have enough room to make corrections. Have your stern line ready, and when you will approach the dock, ask someone to step outside, secure your line immediately, and then come in forward. The moment you come in forward, the boat is secured because the stern line is secured, so you can bring the boat closer to the dock, and then the crew members they can go out to secure the bow and then the spring line. Subscribe in our YouTube channel to get access in more sailing videos.